Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Practice. My name is John, and I'm very happy you are here today. If you are learning English and sometimes you feel shy, slow, or confused, don't worry. You are in the right place.
Hello, friends. I'm Mary. Thank you so much for joining us today. This podcast is made only for English beginners, so please relax. You don't need perfect English here. You just need to listen, enjoy, and practice little by little.
Mary, today's topic is very important, right?
Yes, John, very important and very useful. Today we are talking about daily English phrases for beginners.
Daily English phrases. That sounds good. Mary, what does daily phrases mean?
Good question, John. Daily English phrases are simple sentences that people use every day, at home, at school, at work, with friends, or even with strangers.
Ah, I see. So these are not difficult grammar rules.
No, not difficult at all. These are easy, friendly, and natural phrases. Phrases you can use today, even if your English is not perfect.
That makes me feel relaxed already.
Good, that's the goal. English should feel friendly, not scary.
Mary, let's start with the morning. What do people usually say in the morning?
Great idea. The morning is the first time we use English in the day. The most common phrase is, good morning.
Good morning. That sounds very easy.
Yes, it's very easy. You can say good morning to your family, your friends, your teacher, your coworkers.
Can I say good morning to everyone?
Yes, you can. It is polite and friendly.
Mary, what if I want to be more friendly?
Then you can say, good morning, how are you?
Oh, I hear that a lot. But sometimes I don't know how to answer.
That's okay, let's practice. If someone asks, how are you? You can answer, I'm fine, I'm good, I'm okay.
What about I'm very good?
Yes, that's also correct. You can say, I'm very good, thank you.
That sounds polite.
Exactly. Adding thank you is very polite.
Mary, can we do a small conversation?
Of course. Let's do it slowly.
Good morning, Mary.
Good morning, John. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Perfect. Very simple, very natural. Mary, after saying good morning, what comes next?
Good question. In the morning, people talk about their routine. Here are some very common phrases. I wake up early. I wake up at 6 a.m.
Oh, so I can talk about time.
Yes, time is very important. You can also say, I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower.
These are things I do every day.
Exactly. That's why they are called daily phrases. Let's practice slowly. Repeat after me, in your mind or aloud. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I take a shower.
Mary, these sentences are short. That makes them easy to remember.
Yes, short sentences are best for beginners.
What about breakfast?
Very good point. Here are some easy breakfast phrases. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast at home. I drink tea. I drink coffee.
Can I say I eat bread?
Yes, of course. You can say, I eat bread. I eat eggs. I eat rice.
So I can change the food word.
Yes, the sentence stays the same, only the food changes.
Mary, after breakfast, I usually leave home.
Perfect. Let's talk about that. Here are some easy phrases. I go to work. I go to school. I leave home at 8 a.m.
What if I don't work or study?
That's okay. You can say, I stay at home. I go outside. I go to the market.
Oh, these are very useful.
Yes, these phrases help you talk about your real life.
Mary, what about polite words?
Very important topic. Here are must-know polite phrases. Please, thank you very much, excuse me, sorry.
I sometimes feel shy to say sorry.
That's okay. Sorry is a kind word. It shows respect. Excuse me, John.
Yes?
Can you help me, please?
Yes, sure.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Perfect. Very natural English.
Now, Mary, we move to the afternoon.
Exactly. Now let's talk about afternoon English phrases and simple phrases for work, school, and friends.
Mary, what do people say in the afternoon?
Very simple. People say, good afternoon.
So it's like good morning, but later?
Yes, you usually say good afternoon after 12 p.m.
Can I say it to my teacher or boss?
Yes, absolutely. It's polite and formal, but also friendly. Good afternoon, John.
Good afternoon, Mary. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Perfect. Very natural English.
Mary, many beginners are students or workers.
Yes, and they need simple phrases, not difficult grammar. Let's start with work phrases. Here are very common work phrases. I am at work. I start work at 9 a.m. I finish work at 5 p.m.
What if I want to say I'm busy?
You can say, I am busy. I am very busy.
That's easy to remember.
Yes, short and clear.
Mary, what about students?
Good question. Here are very simple school phrases. I am a student. I go to school. I study English. I have a class.
Can I say I study at home?
Yes, you can say, I study at home. I study in the evening. I study every day. Let's practice slowly. Repeat these sentences. I am at work. I am a student. I study English.
These sentences make me feel confident.
That's because they are useful and real.
Mary, people often ask about time.
Yes, time is part of daily English. Here are easy phrases. What time is it? It is 2 o'clock. It is 3:30.
What if I don't know the exact time?
That's okay. You can say, I'm not sure. Just a moment, please.
Mary, I'm feeling nervous talking to friends in English.
That's normal. Let's make it easy. Here are friendly daily phrases. How is your day? How is everything? What are you doing?
How can I answer, what are you doing?
Very simply, I am working, I am studying, I am resting. Hi, John. How is your day?
It's good, thank you.
What are you doing now?
I'm studying English.
That's great.
Mary, people always talk about food.
Yes, food is a great topic. Here are simple phrases. I eat lunch. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I am hungry. I am full.
Can I say, I like this food?
Yes, and that's very common. I like this food. It is delicious.
Mary, beginners often need help.
Yes, and it's okay to ask. Here are safe and polite phrases. Can you help me? Can you help me, please? I don't understand.
I'm afraid to say I don't understand.
Don't be afraid. It's a brave sentence. It helps you learn. Here are some confidence phrases for beginners. I am learning English. Please speak slowly. I am practicing.
These phrases make people kind to me.
Yes, most people will help you.
And now we will talk about evening English, night phrases, phone English, and how to practice every day.
Exactly. Now let's talk about afternoon English phrases and simple phrases for work, school, and friends.
Mary, what do people say in the evening?
In the evening, people usually say, good evening.
Is good evening formal?
It can be formal or friendly. You can say it to your family, your friends, your teacher, your boss.
That's very useful.
Good evening, John.
Good evening, Mary. How was your day?
My day was good, thank you. I worked and studied English.
That sounds great. Mary, what do people do in the evening?
Many things. Let's learn simple evening sentences. I go home. I eat dinner. I relax. I watch TV.
Can I say I study English in the evening?
Yes, that's a perfect sentence. I study English in the evening. Repeat slowly. I eat dinner. I relax at home. I study English.
These sentences feel comfortable.
Because they are part of real life.
Mary, what do people say at night?
At night, people say good night.
Do we say good night when we meet someone?
No, we say good night when we leave or go to sleep.
I am tired. Me too.
I am going to sleep.
Okay. Good night, Mary.
Good night, John. Sleep well.
Mary, many beginners use English on the phone.
Yes, let's learn easy phone phrases. Hello? This is John. Can you hear me? Please speak slowly.
What if I don't understand on the phone?
You can say, sorry, I don't understand. Can you repeat, please?
Hello, Mary. This is John.
Hi, John. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Mary, what about texting in English?
Texting is very common. Here are simple chat phrases. Hi. How are you? I am fine. Thank you.
Short messages are okay?
Yes, short is perfect for beginners.
Mary, how do we end conversations politely?
Very important question. Here are easy phrases. Thank you. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you. See you later.
What if I need to leave?
You can say, I have to go now. See you tomorrow.
Mary, beginners always ask, how can I practice every day?
I have simple tips. Say 1 or 2 sentences daily. I am learning English. I like English.
Mistakes are good.
Yes, mistakes help us learn.
Exactly. You don't need big words. I am happy. I am tired. I'm learning.
Yes, say sentences again and again.
Mary, I feel confident now.
I'm so happy to hear that.
Friends, if you understand this podcast, you are improving.
Yes, English is not magic. It is practice plus patience.
Today, we learned evening and night phrases, phone and online English, polite endings, daily practice tips.
And remember, speak slowly. Use easy words. Practice every day.
Thank you for listening to Daily English Practice.
We are proud of you.
Keep learning.
Keep speaking.
See you next time.